Unlocking the meaning of fresh out of, a guide to English phrases. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a common English expression that can sometimes be confusing, fresh out of. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what it means, but also how to use it in everyday conversation. So, let's get started. The phrase, fresh out of, is an informal way to say that you have no more of something left. It's used when you've just run out or used up your supply of a particular item. For example, if you say, I'm fresh out of milk, it means you have no milk left at home. Let's look at some examples to see how versatile fresh out of can be. I'm fresh out of ideas means you cannot think of any more suggestions. We're fresh out of tickets means there are no tickets left for sale. She's fresh out of patience tells us that she has no patience remaining. When using this phrase, it's important to follow it with a noun. The structure is simple. I'm, we're, he's, she's fresh out of, noun. You can also use it in the past tense, like, I was fresh out of money by the end of the trip. While fresh out of is quite casual, it's widely understood in English-speaking countries. It's a handy phrase to use in daily conversation, especially in casual and spontaneous situations, like when talking to friends or family. That's a wrap on fresh out of. We hope you're not fresh out of enthusiasm for learning English because there's always more to explore. If this video helped clarify things for you, give us a thumbs up. Stay curious, and we'll see you in our next lesson. Happy learning!